What's up guys, it's me again with another video. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this plane. It's called Persian, known as Persian Falcon. It's just like not really fast, but it's like sometimes it's fast or not, guys. So yeah, please do not judge me with this paper airplane. And this is what it looks like, a cool model of a paper airplane, guys. And this is actually a cool model and design. And what is this over here, guys? It's actually my mirror. So yeah guys, this is actually your model over here, guys, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make this awesome paper plane. So let's get started, guys. All you're gonna need is paper, guys, like this or DN or any letter size paper, guys. So first step is to like fold it like this, guys. This I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm making like this, guys. Sorry about that noise, guys, but this. I don't know, you can. And next step is to fold it like this, guys, like this. I'll make this as a one clip, guys, and unfold, rotate over, and I'm gonna start it right over here, guys, like this. That's not my piano, guys. And unfold, and you want to start it from here, guys. Just that sound. Guys, it's not my piano. And flip it over, guys. And you want to start from here to here, guys, like this. Do the same with the other side, like this. Make it really slowly. You can really see it, what I'm doing. Like this. And you just unfold. Rotate it and you just unfold like this. Now I'm gonna refolding it like this, guys, with this line over here, guys. Like this. And I'm gonna be like dust this and dust that. Make sure they're all lined up, guys. And next step is to fold this one over here, guys, like this. Here, left and right, and you wanna do like this if you like pop it like that. And next step is to fold it like here to here, guys. All the way. And you want to just want to fold it right over here, guys, like this. So like this. And you want to just actually just put this here right over here, this pocket, like, see this? You want to just like start right like this, like match it up, guys. The same with the other side, guys, like this. Tuck it in the pocket. Make sure they're all matched up, guys. Make sure. You can see they're all matched up, so flip it over and fold it in half like this. One and a half. Next is to actually fold it, this one on the line, guys, like this. Like this. Do the same over here, like this. Like this. And to flatten the wings, I just recommend like this to flatten the wings. And boom, guys, now you had something like this, guys. And yeah, guys, I'm going to test this. How does this fly, guys? Are you ready for this, guys? I'm gonna be right back for it. Okay guys, we're outside of my house, so I'm gonna be testing this many times as possible. Let's do it, guys. Oh, just go to the tank. So that is it, guys. If you like this paper plane video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon for the next paper plane video, guys. Not about that annoying thing over there, not motorcycle, guys. Peace.